Okay guys, here we are, Alec, Peirce at the ranch, and it's a kind of a fun thing for you. You know, I have a grandson. I have 3 grandsons, and he's been a good kid. Just finished school, 6 years old, and I spoil him. That's what grandpas are supposed to do. Don't give me a hard time. So I got him a ranch toy. Yeah, it's not the first ranch toy I've ever got him, but it's kind of a special one. He really likes, and he sure likes it around the ranch. Yep, there it is. A ranch toy. Hey, yeah. You 6-year-olds in Mississauga don't get a toy like this. No, 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 no. This is a Spider, 110cc ATV Spider. I can't start it because Henry's got the keys. Yeah, I told Henry this was his, only his. I made up a license plate for him that says Henry. I said, nobody else can use this except you. You keep the keys safely. I gave him a safe place to hide them in the house. And I said, this is your ATV. He freaked. He must have spent 2 hours on it first time out. Good thing I filled the tank up with gas. Great little toy. Fairly inexpensive. Yes, 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 I know. Don't start with me. I know it's a cheap Chinese ATV. But I've been through this with all the grandkids. I'm not going to spend $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 for a top-line Peirce, which I think are the best in the world, or any other major brand, there are lots of them, for someone who's only going to drive it for a year, maybe 2 years tops. This will last him, I can fix it, repair it, and then in the end it'll probably be garbage, maybe it'll be in good enough shape, he's a good kid, we can resell it. That's practical. Let's not be practical for a minute, okay? It's light, it's quick, it's safe, it's got a what do you call this, Kevin? Yeah, thing here. Yeah, he clips to him, so if he falls off, it turns it off. We can adjust the throttle. He doesn't know that, but we adjust the throttle so he can't open it wide open yet. As he gets better, we'll give him more and more power, and it's a lot of fun. And here at the ranch, what else would you want? I'm sorry, but you don't want a mountain bike here at the ranch. Out there in the woods and the fields and the mud and the trees and everything else, with his grandpa or his dad, we all have ATVs. He will have a wonderful time on it, and makes me happy to see him smile.
Henry Peirce.
Who's that?
Me.
Take the keys up. Let's go. Those are yours.
Okay.
What are they for? No, it's not for a new pickup truck.
Four-wheeler.
Oh, I don't know. We'll go and see. Okay? They get your clothes on. We're going to go outside. What do you think?
Where did the
keys go? Well, this is Henry's first ATV, his first 4-wheeler. Sit down there for a sec. And listen, I'm going to tell you about this now. You see here? What's it say? Henry's ATV Care. And it says, right, watch now, just a minute, you pay attention to me. Before each ride, you got to check the oil, and the tire pressure, and the brakes and the chain. I'll show you how to do that, and Daddy will help you with that too. There you go. Good?
Yeah.
Now you got to keep your keys someplace safe, right? And take a look back here. See what Grandpa made for you. You got your own license plate.
Yeah. Only Henry.
Yeah. So if somebody says to you, what's your license number?
Henry.
Henry. Ranch toys. Alec Peirce at the ranch.